What's up guys, so welcome back to another video, and today this will be the 100 subscriber special. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers, and today we will be giving a newcomer to 2nd C a blizzard fruit. So yeah, we'll be giving this away for free. They can just add in some trash. So we're in the 2nd C right now. This guy's 899, he has venom. I don't think he needs a blizzard, but there is a 747 here. Let's see what he has. He has portal. That is not the best for grinding. And what is his level? Yeah, 747. Okay, yo. Oh shoot. I gotta get to him. He's running away. Wait, do you want a free blizzard? There. He's not answering. But come on. Wherever. There's a level 703 over there. Maybe we can ask them. So they're all the way by the factory. They might be AFK. What's he doing? But why don't they answer? What is he doing? Oh god. Oh my god, he's running away now. What is he doing? But I'm trying to give you a free fruit here, man. Whatever, get out. He qualified. He was only level 703. He is sand too. I don't know, man. Whatever. You do you, bud. Okay, maybe I ask him that. Okay, oops. Do you want a free blizzard? Hello? I know you're not AFK, bud. Come on. There's really nobody else as low of a level as you, man. Come on. Man, he's not answering. Oh well. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we just went to that guy. Maybe the guy with venom. Let's see if we can talk to him. Oh, he is gone. He's just trying to attack me, I think. But I'm not here for a fight. Why are they all running away? Oh. Please, can I just give you this? Do you want a free blizzard? Yes. Okay, come. Alright. He's level 900, that's low level enough. Alright. Sit down, bud. Okay. Blizzard. Wait, doesn't have enough space. Oh. Alright, okay. It's okay. Man, okay, this server doesn't have anybody else that's a low enough level. I'll server hop. I'll see you guys in the next server. Alright guys, we are here in the next server, and as you can see, there's 2 people PvPing out there. And let's try to win for the 100 subscribers. Let's go. Come on. Hell no! Stop! We are not losing today. Let's go. Right, got another guy over here. Okay. I don't know if anybody else wants to go, but if they do, I can. As soon as I get out of combat, I'm rushing in. Anyways, this guy is lower level. Maybe we give him either one of these 2. Maybe him. Okay, yo. Alright, come on, answer. Get. What? Is that a yes or a no? Okay. So let's put down Blizzard. Here we go. Permanent spin. That is not even that bad. Prem spin, very whatever, man. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what language you're speaking, but whatever. God, why is it so hard to give a free fruit? Love. Just add anything else, man. Oh my God. Bro, it is not that hard to add in garbage, man. Come on. Bro, you need the Blizzard and permanent spin. Okay, yeah, fine. I'm honestly okay with that. Beckley. Yes. Whatever that means. Alright. Well, we gave away the got a permanent spin in return, so that spin is... Where is the spin? Wait a second. Is it here? Wait, oh, I got dark fruit. Anyways, Oh, yep, look at that. Got perm spin, guys. I don't think I can store this dark for it. Yeah, I can't, so just put that there. We got spin. So that's cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all the subscribers, all the support and everything. Thank you so much for bringing me to 100 subs. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.